The pixels of the universe. Is there a limit as to how small reality can exist? And if so, what does that mean for the state of reality itself? This is something many scientists have attempted to investigate in the context of the simulation hypothesis, a theory which claims that the universe may be the virtual construct of a higher, more superior intelligence. If we were to find some kind of limit to the smallest level of the universe, perhaps in the form of a grid or a pixelated vision, we would have evidence to support the notion that reality isn't real. To test this idea, in 2012, physicists Silas R Beane, Zohreh Davoudi, and Martin J. Savage from the universities of Bonn and Washington explored whether finite computational resources would limit the creators of a virtual universe and force upon them a certain set of constraints. One of these constraints would be the division of space-time into a discrete set of points, known as the lattice-gauge, which would save energy by creating a limit on the energy that particles can possess. This limit, known as the Greisen-Zatsepin-Kuzmin cutoff, would mean that nothing can exist which is smaller than the lattice. So, if we find out that this is true, we have good reason to believe our reality has been made artificially. Several grid-like observations within the fabric of space-time have been observed, as have other aspects of our quantum world which seem to hint at the GZK cutoff being in existence. But for now, work must continue in investigating this theory, and in the meantime, a group of researchers at Fermi National Accelerator Lab are trying to prove our reality's nature in a different way by seeing if our universe is a two-dimensional hologram. This laboratory is home to the Holometer, a data-gathering machine which aims to find out if our universe does have a pixel limit according to the holographic principle. This theory suggests that if you were to zoom in on reality close enough, you'd see universal pixels 10 trillion times smaller than an atom. If we detect these pixels, it means that everything in the universe is encoded within them in two-dimensional form. It means that the universe is a three-dimensional projection from a two-dimensional cosmological horizon. But where this horizon is, how it was created, and who, if anyone, controls it, well, that is something we won't be able to answer for some time to come.